You should never forget where your client is in the process. That's how money and trust slip through the cracks. If you're working with clients, you know how easy it is to lose track of details and deadlines. In today's video, I'm walking you through my client management tracker that helps me stay organized, track invoices, and moves every client forward without missing a beat. I'm DupeRAleru, and welcome to another video tutorial. This is one of my favorite tutorials to do. I'm going to go ahead and jump in and share with you exactly how to use it. So first things first is you want to go ahead and make yourself a copy. So you're going to click on File, Make Copy, rename it, and save it to your drive. Now, I've been using this system for many years, and I decided, why not create this template for everyone else? Because it really helps me organize and see how many clients I'm enrolling and also who is coming in and out of my programs. So in the first column, you are going to see the first name. This is all pretend. So let's go ahead and look at Ashley Johnson is the first client that I enrolled for the year. Then we have Henry Park and John Smith. You will put their emails here and phone numbers. This is very great because it's easy access for when you need to contact them. So you want to make sure that you have that information. And then here is where you are going to find the service name. So you're going to find a drop down and you can click on what type of service did they enroll in. Is it one-on-one coaching? Is it the VIP day, which is very popular for my business? Or is this part of a membership? You have some type of membership. Now, if you want to update these, all you need to do is click on the pencil icon. It's going to bring up this data validation here. And all you need to do is you can delete any of these that don't pertain to your business, or you can add another item. And then once you're done, you're going to click done. Let's look at the service. So this is going to be a recurring situation, meaning that if they purchase one-on-one coaching, maybe they're on a payment plan. If it's a VIP day, maybe they pay in full. If it's a membership, maybe it's a subscription. So we're going to go ahead and click one-on-one coaching is usually a one-time payment. They pay in full. Actually, let's go ahead and say that it's recurring. VIP day is one time. And then let's say membership is subscription. And again, you can go ahead and change these to match what you offer for your business. Now we're going to go ahead and put the price point. So let's say your one-on-one coaching is $5,000, your VIP day is $2,500, and your membership it's around $200 a month. Now the payment due date. So you're going to go ahead and place here any of the dates here that those payments are due. So you're going to place those dates here. Now, did you send the invoice? You're going to go ahead and select here if they sent those invoices, and you're going to check that there. And then what is the payment status? These clients have already paid, and this client is currently pending. Now, I love to keep track of the enrollment date. I always select when my clients enroll. It really helps me notate the months that I get more client enrollments, or it also allows me to know their enrollment date from their start date, because I'd like them to start at least a week from their enrollment. Click on the start date as well. So if they enrolled on the 29th, usually they start immediately, and you're going to fill out those columns accordingly. And then when's their end date? So if I know that this client here signed up for one-on-one coaching, usually my one-on-one coaching is they run anywhere from 3 months to 6 months, but mostly 3-month programs. So I'll be able to select the end date here and go ahead and select maybe May 14th is going to be their last session. And then the service status. So once they have completed, you can mark that complete. But if it's on hold for any reason, usually in my contracts, I notate that there's no holds, but sometimes emergencies happen. You would want to notate that. If the client ended up canceling, again, you should have these terms listed in your contract, or if this client has already completed the program, and then you want to put any notes there. I really love this tracker. It helps me really process and streamline all my clients onboarding and exiting my program. And what you can do now is look at the summary. So the summary section is going to tell you your total revenue that you generated for so far for the year. So you can see here, I've generated, again, this is just an example, $7,700 based on these. And then the number of active clients is going to pull here. So we already said in this category here, let me scroll, that one client is active, one completed. Oops, I didn't put the other one. Let's say we have 2 active clients. So once we come to the summary tab, it shows here that there's 2 clients currently active, and then pending payments, there's $200. So let's look where that came from. This $200 here, we said that it's pending. That will allow you to say, let me go ahead and follow up with this client. This is pending. And if it's overdue, you will mark it that it's overdue. And then number of completed services. 1 client has already graduated. I love this tracker. It really helps me keep track of all my clients. And it really motivates me to enroll clients as well. If I see that some clients are exiting and they're almost done, or if they've completed, then I can say, oh, I have more room on my calendar to enroll a few more clients, because I usually take on a handful of clients at a time. I hope this tracker helps you in your business. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or shoot me an email. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Check out my Stand store. I have plenty other products and templates that help you streamline your business, your productivity, as well as your workflow. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I will see you in the next video. If this tracker is exactly what you need, I've linked it in the description so that you can grab it and start using it today. And if you are now building systems for your business, go ahead and watch the full Google Sheets trackers for entrepreneurs playlist. There is a tracker for every part of your business. I'll see you in the next one.